Yes, very good morning, class 2. So, now take out your EVS book. Now, open the chapter 8 Safety and First Aid. Yes, so today we will revise exercises of chapter 8. So, first exercise is fill in the blanks. So, first one is we should not dash in the corridors or on the chair. We should not play in the corridors or in the stairs. So, spelling of play is P L A Y, play. PLAY, play. Never dash the driver of a moving vehicle. So, never disturb. DISTURB, never disturb the driver of a moving vehicle. Spelling of disturb is DISTURB, disturb. Third one is we should not play with sharp objects. So, spelling of sharp is SHARP, sharp, sharp. And never taste medicine, MEDICINE, never taste medicines on your own, right? Yes. Now next is activity time. So open the page number 48, activity time. So first one is, this is a road signs give us direction. These are signs, right? And these signs give us directions and help us to drive safely. Okay, these are some signs which gives us direction and help us to drive safely. Match the road signs below with what they stands for. So first one is, this is the symbol of no entry. This is the symbol of no entry. So this is A. And second one is, this is the symbol of no right turn. This is right side. It means this is the symbol of no right turn. This is B. C is, this is the symbol of no turn left, no turn left. So this is the C. And fourth one is P means, P stands for parking. P stands for parking. It means do not parking, right? So this is the symbol of no parking. This is the symbol of no parking. This is D, right? And E is, these are the symbol of children, right? Yes. So children crossing. This is the symbol of children crossing. Children crossing. Children, spelling of children is CHILDREN. Children, crossing means CROSSING, crossing. So this is the symbol of crossing. Children crossing. Yes. And this is the symbol of no U-turn. No U-turn. This is a symbol of no U-turn. So EF. And G. This is a symbol of H, and this is the symbol of and this is the symbol of no horn. H stands for horn, HORN, horn. So this is the symbol of horn, so it means no horn. So this is G. Sorry, this is the symbol of no horn. No horn. This is a bhopu and etc. I don't know. And this is a symbol of no means this, and this is horn. So H stands for no horn. This is the symbol of no horn. So this is H, and H stands for hospital. Hospital ahead. So this is the symbol of hospital ahead. Now this is the symbol of no entry, and this is the symbol of no right turn. This is the symbol of no left turn. This is the symbol of no parking. This is the symbol of children crossing, and this is the symbol of U-turn, no U-turn, and this is the symbol of hospital ahead, and this is the symbol of no horn. Okay, yes. So do this activity in your copy and learn the symbols of traffic rules. Okay, yes, this is the symbols. So learn the symbols and draw the symbols in your copy. Yes. Thank you so much, class, and have a nice day.